Dream is not something that you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. While children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everybody else. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The two most important life goals I would like every youth to have. 1. Increase the amount of time that you have at your disposal. 2. Increase what you can achieve in the time available. All birds find shelter during a rain. But eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Because beauty is required in the heart, not in face.